Hi. Oh, how much?
5 cash.
Jerusalem?
Yes.
This name of this village, Jerusalem? Jerusalem? I'm from Jerusalem. Nice village. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Nice village. Chicken?
For the chickens and for kalukuns and geese. I'm making that one for pigeons.
You do it by yourself? You do it by hand?
I do by hand.
Wow, wow, wow. You are professional.
Say, please, thanks.
Good. Very nice.
Very nice.
Nice job.
Thank you for that.
How much you selling one?
I'm starting at 150, 250, 300, 300,
Wow.
300, 300.
Very nice.
Very nice things. I wish you were driving, you buy one,
Yeah.
you take it where you yeah? Then you
But
are with the home.
I bless you.
Please,
I bless you in luck.
please.
Bye-bye. How much money you get for the bottle? Hmm? What you doing with them? Hi. What's the name of this village? Hi. Up, up, up. Hi, how are you? How much is it? Give me two. I can play one game.
Yeah, you can. You can, so.
I will be next. It's inside.
Ice and sugar.
Ice and sugar. Okay. Let's try. Maybe it's closed, maybe it's open.
Yes, the grinder.
How much is it to sharp it? Yeah, I'll see you there. Thank you very much. See how it's sharpened. Thank you. Thank you, boss. This is the salon. This is the salon?
Yes. You want to flat?
Nice. I want to
Do your hair?
not do your hair. It's okay, only to fix things. You know, it's a little bit. Fix a little bit. Oh. Not to start in 1, 2, maybe 2 to fix. I don't know. You see this one? This one? This one? Maybe 2. What you are cooking, Shima?
Yes.
You have a... Okay. Oh, this... No, I want the brim.
Where trim?
It's not brim. It's tiger. Tiger, no, brim. You don't have brim?
Chicken?
Brim fish.
No.
No. I want brim.
Yes.
I don't know how. It's a miracle. Hi, how are you? This is a soap for laundry. Oh, it's okay. How are you? Wow. And you study here in the open field?
Yeah, I'm actually waiting for a friend, but it's not yet here. So.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to the road from here.
You're going where?
To the main road.
Oh, the main road. It's just past these houses.
Okay, thank you very much. Hi, how are you? I want to play. Who is champion?
This one is
Give me 2 coins.
I'm a love that is based on
Thank you. How much is it? 2 kwacha. Thank you.
This one.
I want fried fish.
Fried fish. Fried fish.
Oh,
Fried fish.
What do you want?
cooked fish, not dry.
You want fresh or dry? Fresh.
Dry.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Fried. With oil. Not dry.
Fresh, you turn there, you turn to the right. Therefore, you will see the big map. You go straight before you reach the
Cooked fish.
cooked one.
Yeah.
Oh, like these ones. Oh, you want the cooked one to eat?
Yeah, to eat
So,
now.
go in, turn to mobile. Let this one.
Mango.
Yes, main road going to the
Can you go?
But you can see, you can They are from South Africa. This motorbike is very big.
Wapakingana muambane na chemwa na papa nya muntu wana.
Mwajibone jijiratonde campus onse ichi.
Kajibana, can you go?
What is this? You eat it?
Yeah.
I can taste.
Yes.
Oh, it's good. Okay, later. Hi. I don't know what I ate.
No. Let's try to see here. No fish.
No fish. Hi. This is the oil. This is oil
Yes.
for cooking.
Cooking oil.
For cooking oil. Soya.
Soya chunks.
Soya.
Yes.
This soya pieces.
This is soya.
This is hot chili.
Hot chili.
Yes.
This spicy.
Yes.
Spicy.
It's pounded.
I want little bit chili. And this you can put in the food.
Yes, you can put it.
It's not spicy. Ah. Not spicy.
Yes. These are spices.
This is spicy?
Yes.
Not spicy.
Not spicy.
This one is good for reddish. You know reddish. Put in
Yes.
Rice.
meat. When you put meat, you put this one.
And this is soya pieces.
This is soya pieces.
This you can eat it like this. You can eat it like this.
But no problem. But it needs to make a relish.
Make
When
what?
you put tomatoes, onion, and salad, so on, so that.
How much is it? $1?
10 kwacha. 5 kwacha. 5.
Give me 10. This is soya. It's good.
Soya nyama.
Oh,
This-
ni jisibo 100.
What is this?
Ndambi.